Good morning, family. It is a Saturday morning. It's about, I want to say 10:30. It's 62 degrees out here. It feels great. I can imagine what the weather in Kentucky looks like or feels like, because we'll already go into it and see that tomorrow, but we're not want to prepare for that. We don't want to go to that, but hey, that's what we got to do. Anyway, since we're going to leave early tomorrow morning, probably about, I say between 1 and 2 o'clock in the morning. Today will be a good day to break everything down. So when it's time for us to leave, then we'll just go ahead and hook up, do our last minute checks, and then hit the road. So I think this is very important when it comes to the breakdown, get everything done, and enjoy the rest of the day, you know, going out. And I think we're supposed to go out to eat. I'm not sure where we're going. I think it's Scarlet Pearl. So we'll go out there at a decent time, grab something to eat, come back here, get a good night rest, and hit the road. So let me get started. There's no time to wait. Okay, family, me and Roxanne finna go out to eat, and where are we going?
We are going to Scarlet Pearl. We're going to have dinner with the kids and the grands this evening before travel day.
Yep. Even though it's not a tradition, but you know, it's been a while since we ate with the family, so we decided to go out and do that family thing, you know. All right, we're on our way to get something to eat, and we'll get back with you guys later. So don't go nowhere, stay tuned.